Good morning. Today we will discuss the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Third type, logical instruction set or byte level instruction set. Logical instruction set. In logical instruction set itself, byte level instruction. Byte level means 8-bit. Logical instruction related to 8-bit. In logical instruction set, total 25 instructions available. Logically and logically or logically exclusive or complement, rotate and swap. Okay, these are the instructions available in logical instruction. Total 25 instruction. In part 1 video we will discuss the 9 instructions. 9 instructions. First one, logically and A comma or N. Here A and L means logically and accumulator with the given register content, that is working register. Here Rn means Rn represent for R0 to R7, any 8 working registers. Total 32 working register. The particular register will be selected bank. Okay, we can use R0 to R7 any working register. Logically and accumulated with the Rn register. What is the operation of AND? Operation of AND gate. If both inputs are I, output is I. If any one of the input is low, output will be low state. This is the operation of logically AND. Okay. First, we will discuss the first instruction A comma R5 instruction. Logically and accumulated with the R5. That result always to move A register itself. Now, how to write this one? A register data. This is the symbol of logically and with the register data R5 and the result to move A register itself. First, we have to initialize what is the data in A register. For that, MOV A comma suppose 05H. In register data, MOV R5 07H. Now to logically and these two data. Accumulated data 05 and the register R5 data 07. Now logically and these two and result to move A register itself. Now register A equal to 05 0 0 0 0 0101 and next register R5 07 0 0 0 0 0111. Now logically and these two. In AND operation, if both inputs are high, output is high. If any one of the input is low, output will be low state. Output I. One input is low means output low state. Here both are high 1. Here both are low 0. Both are 0. Both are 0. Both are 0. Both are 0. Now accumulator result A. This is for 0 and this is for 5. This result always to move A register itself. A register data 05 and R register data 07. Now logically and these two and the result always to move accumulator. Now accumulator result is 05 after logical AND operation. This is for logical AND accumulated with the given register content. given register content. And second instruction ANL A comma direct. This is also logically an accumulator with given 8-bit memory address location data. Here the second data available register, and this instruction the second data available memory 8-bit internal memory address location. Okay, the second data will be available given internal memory address locations. Okay, example ANL A comma 50H. This is the internal memory address location. This is the internal memory address location. Example MOV 50H comma data 09H. The 09 data immediately to move the given 8-bit internal memory address location. And accumulator MOV A comma FFH 0FFH. Here, what purpose we are using for 0 means the MSB 8-bit data if hexadecimal. MSB 8-bit data hexadecimal means we have to put 0 before hexadecimal value. Suppose MSB value decimal means no need to put extra 0. Okay. Accumulator data FF and memory address location data 09. Now logically add these two data. Further we can use this type of instruction ANA. Accumulator data logically unsimple and memory address location data, and the result to move always accumulator itself. Okay. Here the accumulator FF is 111111 and memory address location data 09 00001001. Now logically add these two. Both are high, output high. This is for low, output 0. This is for low, 0, and both are high, output high. Low means output is lowest. Now result 09. This 09 result to move A register itself. This is the operation of logically and accumulator with the given 8-bit memory address location. Now, this is for second instruction. And the third one A comma at the rate of RI. This is also logically an instruction. Accumulator with data available internal memory address location. Data is not directly available. Data will be available indirectly. Okay, data available memory available internal register. Okay, this is for indirect register memory address location data. Okay. Here RI means internal register. Internal register we can initialize only R0 or R1 register, not some other register. Internal register means we have to initialize only, we have to use for these two registers, either R0 or R1. Example A comma at the rate of R0. Okay. Here data one available accumulator, the second data will be available memory, the memory will be available internal register. So data is not directly available. The first instruction data available register, the second instruction data will be available memory address location. Okay, memory will be directed, but here data will be available memory, the memory will be available internal register. So data is not directly available. At that time we have to use at the rate of means indirect memory address location data. indirect memory address location data. Example, here MOV A comma hash 03H 03H. First we have to initialize what is the internal memory. For that we can use MOV R0 comma 40H 40H. In this memory address location, here 40H means it will be initialized R0. Now this is the internal memory address. Okay, indirect memory address location in register R0. Now address 40H data 0EH 0EH data available memory available internal register. Okay, so data is not directly available. Instruction 3ANL A at the rate of RI means logically and accumulated with the indirect memory address location. Okay, now accumulator A register 03 00000011 and at the rate of R0 means R0 address 40 and 40 address location data 0E. Now 0E hexadecimal. Okay, in decimal 40. Okay, 1110. Now logically add these two. Any one input low means output is low. This is for low, output low. Both are high, output high. Any one input low means output low. Here all the 4 inputs low means output is low. Now result 0 to this 0 to data to move A register itself. This is the operation of logically and accumulator with the indirect memory address location data. All the three instructions logically and data 1 in accumulator. The second data will be either register or direct memory address location data or indirect memory address location data, and result always to move accumulator itself. Okay. Next, fourth instruction ANL A comma hash data. This is also logically and accumulator with immediately given 8-bit data. Last 3 instruction also logically and accumulator with registered data, accumulator with direct memory address location data, and the third instruction accumulator with indirect memory address location data, and the fourth one, this is also logically and accumulator with immediately given 8-bit data. Here hash symbol means immediate. Okay, immediately given 8-bit data. Example ANL A comma 0DH 0DH. Before this instruction we are taking this hash. Hash means immediately given data with accumulator content. Okay, here accumulator data and logically and with immediately given data, and the result to move A register itself. Okay, here the accumulator data A equal to, first we have to initialize what is the data in A register. A hash 0 to H. Accumulated data 0 to and immediately given data 0D. Now logically add these two and the result to move accumulator itself. Okay. Now register A equal to 0 to 0 0 0 0 2 means 0 0 1 0. Next immediately given data. I for immediately given data 0D. 0D means 13. 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. This is for 13 in hexadecimal and logically add. If any one of the input is low, output is low. This is for low and this is for low, and this is also low, and this is also low, and all the 4 input 0 means output is 0 condition, that is low. Now result 0 0 to move A register. After A and L, A comma hash 0D. Now logically and accumulator with the immediately given 8-bit data, that result 0 0 H to move A register itself. Okay. All the 4 instructions, destination A register, and source will be different addressing modes, either register, direct, indirect memory address location, and immediately given 8-bit. Okay. After logically and always the result to move A register itself. Okay. Next one, fifth, A and L, direct, comma, A. This is also logically and direct memory address location data with the accumulator, and the result always to move A register itself. Okay. Example, ANN. Here the direct memory address location means address is 8-bit. Okay. Suppose the address is 30H, comma A. First we have to initialize in 30 memory address location what will be the data. For that we can use MOV 30H, comma hash 04H. The 04 data immediately to move the given 8-bit internal memory address location. After that, we have to initialize what is the data in A register, MOV A, hash 0BH. Now logically add these two data. Here source is accumulator and destination is direct memory address location. And second instruction, here the source is direct memory address location and destination is accumulator. The both instruction, source and destination will be changed, but result to move always accumulator content. Both are logically AND instruction. Now logically AND these two. For that we can use A logically AND symbol and direct memory address location data, and the result to move A register itself. Okay. Now A register 04 0000 0100 and direct memory address location data. In address 30, what will be the data? Sorry, this is for direct memory address location data. Direct memory address location data 04. Okay, and accumulator A register 0B data. 0B means 11. In 11 hexadecimal value B, in binary 11 means 1 0 1 1. Now logically and these two data. If any one of the input is low, output is low. Okay, here low, and this is also low condition. All the 4 input 0 means output is low. Now result 0 0 H. This is result to move A register. This is the operation of logically and direct memory location data with accumulator, and the result always to move accumulator. The main difference between second instruction and fifth instruction, here source is accumulator and the destination is direct memory address location, and here source is direct memory address location and destination accumulator. Both result will be stored in accumulator itself. Both are logically and 8-bit data. Okay, and the sixth instruction A and L direct comma hash data. A and L direct comma hash data. This is also logically an 8-bit data. Data 1 in direct memory address location, and second data will be available immediately given 8-bit data. As symbol means immediately given 8-bit data. Example 8N20H comma hash 08H. Here 20 means direct memory address location. This is the memory. In this memory address location, what will be the data? That data logically and with immediately given 8-bit. Immediately given 8-bit data. Okay. Now, first we have to initialize the what is the data in 8-bit memory address location. Okay. Move 20H comma hash 0FH 0F data available in memory address location 20H. This data logically and with immediately given 8-bit data, that is 0A. Okay. Now 0F equal to 00001111 and immediately given 8-bit data 00001010. Now logically and these two. Logically and these two. Any one of the input is low, output is low. Here both are high, output is high. Any one of input is low, output is low. If both are high, output is high. Here all the 4 inputs low, output is low, and the result 0A. This result to move A register itself. This is the operation of logically and direct memory address location data with immediately given 8-bit data. Okay. Seventh one, O or L, A comma or L. O or L means logically or. Logically or, what is the operation? If both inputs are high, output is high. If any one of the inputs is high, output also high. If both the inputs are low, output is low. If both inputs are low, output is low. If any one of the input is high, the output will be high state. This is the operation of logically OR operation. Okay. Here the first instruction O or N, A comma or N. We already discussed OR and means any working register R0 to R7. Okay. Logically or accumulated with a given any one working register. That result always will move accumulator itself. Okay. Example O or N, A comma R4 register. First we have to initialize what is the data in R4 register. MOV R4 comma 0BH. In register R4 data 0B, and initialize what is the data in register A, MOV A comma hash 09H. Accumulator 09 and register R4 0B. Now logically OR these two data and result to move always accumulator content. Accumulated data, this is the symbol of logically OR. Okay, this is the symbol of logically OR with the R4 register data. That result to move A register itself. What is the data in accumulator? 09, 09, 0 0 0 0 9 0 1 0 0 1, and B register R4 B in decimal 11. What is the corresponding binary value? 1 0 1 1. Okay, this is for 9, this is for 0B. Logically or what is the operation of logically or? If any one of the input is high, output is high. If both inputs are low, output is low. Here 1, output is 1. Here 1, output is 1. Both are low, output is low. Here any one input is high means output is high. Here all the 4 inputs, both inputs are low. The output is low. Now result 0 B H to move A register. This is the operation of logically or accumulated with given any working register. The working register R0 to R7. Okay. 8th instruction O or N A comma direct. O or N A comma direct. This is also logically or accumulated with the given 8-bit internal memory address location data. Logically or accumulated with the given 8-bit internal memory address location data. Okay. Example O or N A comma 20H. Now logically or accumulated with the given 8-bit internal memory address location data. First we have to initialize in this memory address location what is the data. For that MOV 20H as 06H. The 06 data immediately to move the given 8-bit internal memory address location. Next to initialize what is the data in A register. MOV A as 03H. In register A03 and internal direct memory address location data 06. Now logically or these two, that result always to move A register itself. Okay. Now accumulator, this is accumulator and logically or with the direct memory address location data to move A register. Okay. Here the accumulator 03 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Next 20H memory address location data 06. 20 memory address location data 06 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0. Okay, data 1 in accumulator, the second data will be 8-bit internal memory address location. Now logically or these two data, what is the operation of logically or? If both inputs are high, output is high. If any one of the input also high, output is high. If both inputs are low, output is low. Here one input is high, output high. Here both input is high, output high. If any one input is high, output is high. Both input low, output is low. And here all the 4 inputs, both the 2 inputs are low, output is low. And result 0 7 H. This result to move A register. This is the operation of logically or accumulated with the given 8-bit internal memory address location data. Okay. Next one, 9th instruction O or L A comma at the rate of RI. This is also logically or accumulated with Indirect memory address location data. Data is not directly available. Data will be available memory. The memory will be available internal register. So data is not directly available. For that we have to initialize at the rate of. At the rate of means indirect. Data is not directly available. Indirect. Example. O or A comma at the rate of R1. Here RI means internal register. Internal register. We have to initialize only R0 or R1 register. R0 or R1 register. First, we have to initialize what is the register address. For that, we can use MOV R1 comma 50H. 50H. Okay, as 50H means the 50 immediately to move R1 register. Now in this memory address location, that is address 50H, in this address location data 07. Data will be available memory. The memory will be available internal register. Internal register means we have to initialize only these two register, not some other register. Okay. Next, second data in accumulator MOV A comma hash 04H. So accumulator data 04. Data will be available indirect memory address location. That data 07. Now logically all these two data. Further, we have to use this type of instruction O or L A comma at the rate of R1. Example A logically R symbol at the rate of R1 register data and result to move A register. Here the A register 04 0000 0100. This is for 4 and at the rate of R1 means R1 address 50 and 50 address location data 07. Now the 07 0000 0111. Now logically all these two data. Okay. If any one of the input is high, output is high. If both inputs are low, output is low. Here all the four inputs low. Both inputs are low, output is low state. Now result 07H to move A register. Here at the rate of RI means register address location data. Register address. Data will be available indirect. Okay. Here instruction 7, 8, 9. All the three instructions logically are data 1 in accumulator. The second data will be either register or direct memory address location or indirect memory address location. After logically and result always to move only accumulator content. Okay? Any doubt? No. Thank you.